everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Ipsy Day and obviously I did my hair again and it's darker than normal. I know it looks different but I love it. Now, Ipsy. Alrighty. Okay, first of all, this bag's really cute. Look at it. Aww. It doesn't feel like there's much in here, so everything in here must be like super small sample sizes. First, we have this brush. Hello. This is by Luxie, and it just says good night. I don't know what kind of brush this is, but it's like big and fluffy, so it's so pretty. I just really like the color of the bristles and the design, and I really hope this works well. Next, this is the packaging. I thought it was like messed up, but I don't think it is. What is this? I don't understand. I mean, it's a lip thing. Mini lip glaze in the shade English Rose by Trestique. Never heard of it. It's like a dark red, kind of. Ooh, it's really like glossy and it glides really nice. Ooh. I feel like this will just look really nice. Like, it's not gonna be too intense. And I like that if, like, in deep colors like this, like, I want the opportunity to be able to like wear it how I want, you know? Like build it up if I need to, but I don't know. I feel like this formula is gonna be really nice and hydrating too. I'm excited to try this. Next, this is a Flash Purple Eye Pencil by Lord & Berry. Ooh, this is just like a traditional purple eyeliner. Wow, that's pretty bright. Hopefully that applies to a waterline pretty well, because that'll be fun. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. This says M Princess on it. Is that the brand? Princess eyeshadow in Pretty Petal. Ooh. It's so small. It's so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. I have a feeling I'm gonna just be totally and completely in love with this. Oh my gosh. So, in person, I mean, on camera it's probably a little hard to tell, but it's like got gold reflex, but it looks pink, like when it's not reflecting. I don't know, it's so pretty. It's this right here. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna just die. This is gonna be so cute. Oh god. Last thing in the Ipsy bag is this, a simple and awesome organic peppermint lip balm by Noya. Another brand I've never heard of, but I mean, I always love my lip balm. I'm gonna just go ahead and put it on. It feels good. It feels nice and hydrating. It's peppermint, so it kind of has a nice, like, not sting, but like a cooling thing. I don't know, that's really nice. I like that. I will use the crap out of this. Okay, so let's just start putting stuff on our face. I'm gonna start with, actually, with this eyeshadow. Oh, I'm so excited. I did bring the Nightingale, right? Yeah, Nightingale palette. This is the one I got out of BoxyCharm just last week. It was on top of my makeup pile, so I'm gonna use stuff from it. But since it's a new palette to me still, I still want to play with it. And in this jump cut here, you'll notice that I put more stuff on my face. I forgot I wasn't bronzed and blushed and highlighted, so I just did that. Sorry for the jump cut. But okay, so I guess first what I'm gonna do is test out this brush like in the crease area and see how that goes. I really love this brush. It's super soft, but also like really dense, so it picks up color really well and then disperses it really well because it's soft. This is great. I haven't really liked a brush from a subscription box in a really long time, so it's kind of like a breath of fresh air to get something like this that I really like. Okay, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is I got this flat brush wet, so I'm gonna apply this loose powdered shade, whatever, to my lid and see what happens. Oh, I'm so excited. If this lets me down, I'm gonna cry. I'm living for this. Oh my god. This is like my favorite ever. So like I was saying, it kind of has like golden reflex, but it's like, it's also pink. It's like a rose gold loose shadow. It's so freaking pretty. I love this. And I really don't have anything like this in my collection. I mean, like, you have golds and you have like pinks, but nothing like duochrome rose gold. Like, this is so freaking pretty. I'm gonna die. It's so pretty. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do next is just kind of finish up this eye look a little bit. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on and things, and then we'll move on. Actually, you know what? While we're here, I might as well just put this purple stuff on my waterline. Let's go. check out how bright that is. I love it. That went on really, really smooth. What I do have to say, like, I have this Revlon Color Stay, this purple one here, and I've tried to use it so many times, but like, it just like, I have to press really hard here to get it to look pigmented like that. I'm gonna throw this away because this one is far superior as far as application, the way it goes on. Like, I don't have to push hard with this at all. It's very buttery and I love this. Great job, Lauren Berry. Anyway, let me finish stuff up. Okay, seriously, the longer I wear this shimmery eyeshadow, like, the more I'm in love with it. It's like, as it's drying down, it is just so pretty. It's so good. It's so good. And obviously, like, I have never heard of this brand, M Princess. I think it's what it's called, right? I mean, if they have like individual shadows like this and they all have like this duochrome, like, gorgeous glow to it, like, yes please, I'll take them all. Like, they are so pretty. So the last thing we have to try is this Tristique lip something. What did they call it? Mini lip glaze. Okay, I do really like this. The color might be a little intense for me, especially now that my hair is this color. It's like the same color. But I mean, I love the formula. It's very hydrating, and for someone like me who has really, really dry lips, it's very nice to have something that you feel like you're not like damaging anything by wearing it. It's nice. And I feel like, I mean, even for a trial size, like, it's a good amount of product. Like, this will last me. That's all it is. But this will last me a while. I'm so down with it. I wonder if there's like coconut oil or something in it. There's no list of ingredients, but I mean, something's good in here and I like it. Okay guys, that is everything that was in my Ipsy box. Oh my gosh, I have not been so happy with an Ipsy box in a very long time. I know last month they tried, like, the stuff they sent me is all like, they're all products that I want to try, but like none of them were actually good. Most of them weren't anyway. But this time around, I love and will regularly use every single thing that was in this box. I am just so pleased. It's not very often I get to say that about an Ipsy box, so, or Ipsy bag or whatever. So I'm very happy, and honestly, I was kind of considering canceling Ipsy, but I think they really redeemed themselves, or at least they've like shown that they have been trying the past few months, and to me, all this stuff is well beyond worth $10. So yeah, I still recommend Ipsy. I still like Ipsy. So with that all being said, my friends, it is time for Fridge Wisdom. This week's Fridge Wisdom, I think my husband did this one. I don't really remember at this point, but it says, "Give me that moist fish. Take that and do with it what you will." Thank you for watching, my friends, and I will see you next week. Bye.